Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Joya. In the last video, I mentioned that one of the most effective way to learn Japanese is to start with commonly used phrases that ones you will hear in daily conversations. But this time, I tried something different. Instead of everyday phrases, we are exploring deep and culturally rich Japanese expressions that even native Japanese speakers find fascinating and you will not find in your typical textbook. These phrases are rich in history and culture, and they will definitely impress your Japanese friends. These words carry powerful meanings and reveal a whole new side of the language. Okay, so let's get started. So phrase number 1, Saji wo nageru. Saji wo nageru. This phrase literally means to throw the spoon. But what was that to have to do with giving up? Well, back in old days, Japanese doctors would mix medicine using a small spoon. If a patient's condition was hopeless, the doctor would throw the spoon down, meaning there was nothing more they could do. So today, saji wo nageru means to give up completely when something seems impossible. In English, throw in a towel is almost the same. So here is the example. 若い時に仕事の途中でサジを投げてしまったことが今でも悔やまれます。It means I still regret that in my younger days I threw in the towel and gave up on my work midway. So サジを投げる it's kind of like saying I'm done with this. But the imagery of actually throwing a spoon makes it more dynamic. So phrase number 2. Number 2 is Kakugo. Kakugo. Next up, we have Kakugo, a powerful word that means being mentally prepared for challenge, danger, or hardship. It's often used when you accept the risk of something difficult, like a samurai heading into battle. In fact, Kakugo is deeply tied to Japanese philosophy, especially in Buddhism, where it means achieving enlightenment and freeing oneself from hesitation. So here's the example. 断られるのは覚悟している。断られるのは覚悟している。It implies that the speaker is already prepared for the possibility of being rejected. 覚悟する doesn't just mean to be ready. It specifically carries sense of mental preparedness for something difficult, unpleasant, or negative. So in English, the natural translation would be I'm prepared to be rejected. It's similar to saying I'm embracing myself or I'm ready for whatever happens. If someone says 覚悟しろ in anime or movies, it means prepare yourself before an epic battle. Phrase number 3. Number 3 is Koshi tantan. Koshi tantan. This is one of my favorite Japanese expressions. Koshi tantan describes someone silently watching and waiting for the perfect moment to strike, just like a tiger stalking its prey. It comes from two Chinese characters. Koshi is tiger's gaze. Tantan, it means intensely watching. So when someone is koshi tantan, they are patiently waiting for the right opportunity to take action. Whether it's a business deal, chess match, or even dating. Here's the example. 彼は社長のポジションを虎視眈々と狙っている。彼は社長のポジションを虎視眈々と狙っている。It means he is carefully watching for a chance to become the company president. It's similar to the English phrases, something like biding your time or waiting for the right moment to strike. But koshi tantan has a much cooler, more strategic vibe. That's it for today. Now you know the 3 deep and fascinating Japanese phrases that will surprise native Japanese speakers when you use them. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more fun Japanese lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!